And here's in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram not working on iPhone. So the first solution is we have to close Instagram app from our background. So open your recents, and from your recents you have to close Instagram app and then relaunch your Instagram app and check the issue. And the second solution is check for any new update. Go to your app store and search for Instagram, and here if you see any new update available, then first of all go ahead and update the Instagram app, and after that try to reopen your Instagram app and check the issue. And the next solution is we have to turn off our battery low power mode. So go to your iPhone settings app and tap on battery. And here if you turn on low power mode, make sure to disable low power mode and then try to reopen your Instagram app and check the issue. The next solution is we have to force restart our iPhone. To force restart your iPhone, press volume up button for one time and volume down button for one time. And then you have to press and hold down the power button until you see the Apple logo on your screen. Don't remove your finger from the power button. That's how. Go ahead and force restart your iPhone and then check the issue. And the next solution is we have to uninstall our Instagram and we have to reinstall it. So all you have to need, uninstall your current Instagram app and then go to your app store and reinstall Instagram and then go ahead and check the issue. And the next solution is we have to reset our iPhone network settings. To do that, go to your settings app and tap on general. Here, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, reset, and tap on reset network settings. Once done, reconnect to your Wi-Fi or cellular and go to your Instagram and check the issue. And the last and final solution is you have to update your iOS. So go to your iPhone settings app, tap on general, software update, and here if you see any new update available, just update your iPhone. And after following all of the solutions very carefully, hope any of the solution will fix your Instagram not working problem. Thanks for watching.